Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Do's English. I'm Jessica.
And I'm James. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very important. We are talking about time, more specifically, how to manage your time and not waste your life.
Yes, because time is something we all have, but many people feel like they never have enough of it.
Exactly. You wake up, you start your day, you do many things, but at the end of the day, you feel like, what did I actually do today?
That feeling is very common. So today, we will help you learn simple English and simple ideas to manage your time better.
And don't worry, we will keep everything easy and clear. You can listen, learn, and practice with us.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel Do's English, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson.
All right, let's begin.
Jessica, let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like your day is too short?
Oh, yes, all the time. Sometimes I plan many things, but I don't finish them.
Same here. And that's where today's first idea comes in. Plan your day.
Yes, plan your day is a very useful phrase. It means you decide what you will do before your day starts.
Let's say it together. Listen first. Plan your day.
Now you repeat. Plan your day.
Good job.
Here's a simple example. I plan my day every morning.
Or, even better, I plan my day at night.
Oh, that's interesting. Why at night?
Because when you wake up, you already know what to do. You don't waste time thinking.
That's a great point. So planning saves time.
Exactly. When you don't plan, you feel confused.
Let's use that in a sentence. When I don't plan my day, I feel confused.
Nice and simple.
Now let's do a quick practice.
Listen. I plan my day before I sleep.
Now you say it. Great. All right, let's move to our next idea, waste time.
Very important. Waste time means using time in a bad way, doing things that are not useful.
For example, I waste time on my phone.
Yes, that's very real.
Another example, he wastes time watching videos all day.
Let's practice.
Listen, I don't want to waste time.
Now you repeat.
Perfect. Jessica, what do you think is the biggest way people waste time?
I think one big reason is no focus.
That's a great word, focus.
Yes, focus means to give your full attention to one thing.
Let's say it together. Focus.
Your turn.
Good job. Example, I need to focus on my work.
Or, she is focusing on her studies.
Now listen again. I need to focus on my work.
Repeat it.
Nice.
So, here's the idea. If you focus, you save time.
And if you don't focus, you waste time.
Exactly.
Let's make a simple sentence together. If I focus, I finish my work fast.
That's a great sentence for daily use.
Now let's talk about something very real, distractions.
Oh, yes. Distractions are things that take your attention away.
Like your phone, social media, or noise.
Example. My phone is a big distraction.
Another one, there are too many distractions at home.
Let's practice.
Listen, I try to avoid distractions.
Now you repeat.
Great work.
So, today, we already learned some very useful phrases. Plan your day, waste time, focus, distractions.
Yes, and these are very practical. You can use them in your daily life.
Now, let's make a short natural conversation using these words.
Good idea. Listen carefully.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I plan my day every morning.
Do you waste time?
Sometimes I waste time on my phone.
Try to focus more.
Yes, I will. I will avoid distractions.
Now you listen again.
And this time, try to understand more.
Repeat slowly. Do you plan your day?
Yes, I plan my day every morning.
Do you waste time?
Sometimes I waste time on my phone.
Try to focus more.
Yes, I will. I will avoid distractions.
Great job staying with us. You're doing really well.
Yes, seriously, your English is improving already.
Now let's continue, because managing time is not just about planning.
It's also about what you do first in your day.
All right, let's continue.
Now we're going to talk about something very powerful: priorities.
Yes, priorities means the most important things you need to do first.
Let's say it together. Priorities.
Your turn.
Good job.
Here's a simple example. My priority is my work.
Or, my priority is my health.
That's a very important one.
Yes, because many people forget their health.
True. Now listen to this sentence. I finish my priorities first.
Now you repeat.
Nice.
So here's the idea. Don't do everything at the same time.
Yes. First, do the important things.
That helps you feel calm and in control.
Exactly.
Let's do a quick example conversation.
What is your priority today?
My priority is finishing my work.
Simple and useful.
Now listen again.
What is your priority today?
My priority is finishing my work.
Great. Now let's move to another very useful phrase. To-do list.
Ah, yes. A to-do list is a list of things you need to do.
Let's say it. To-do list.
Your turn.
Good.
Example. I write a to-do list every day.
Or, my to-do list is very long.
That sounds like me sometimes.
Same here.
Now listen. I check my to-do list in the morning.
Repeat it.
Perfect.
So here's a simple tip. Write a small to-do list.
Yes, not too big. Keep it simple.
Maybe 3 or 4 tasks.
That's easier to finish.
And when you finish your tasks, you feel happy.
Exactly. That feeling is very motivating.
Now, let's talk about another important idea. Start early.
Oh, yes. Start early means begin your work sooner, not later.
Let's say it together. Start early.
Your turn.
Good job.
Example. I start my day early.
Or, she starts work early.
Now listen. If I start early, I finish early.
Repeat it. Nice. This is very important. When you start late, you feel rushed.
Yes, and you make more mistakes.
But when you start early, you feel relaxed.
And you have more time for yourself.
Exactly.
Let's do a short conversation.
Why do you start early?
Because I want more free time.
Great. Now listen again. Why do you start early?
Because I want more free time.
Very good. Now let's talk about something many people struggle with. Delay.
Yes, delay means to do something later, not now.
Let's say it. Delay.
Your turn.
Good.
Example. I delay my work.
Or, he delays his homework.
Now listen. I don't want to delay my tasks.
Repeat it.
Perfect.
So, Jessica, why do people delay things?
Maybe they feel lazy, or maybe the task feels difficult.
Yes, that's true.
But when you delay, the task becomes bigger in your mind.
Exactly. It feels harder than it really is.
So here's a simple idea. Start small.
Yes, just begin.
Even 5 minutes is okay.
That's a great tip.
Let's make a sentence. I start small and then I continue.
Very useful. Now, a short conversation. Do you delay your work?
Sometimes, but I try to start small.
Nice and natural.
Let's repeat it. Do you delay your work?
Sometimes, but I try to start small.
Great job.
So, today, we learned more powerful phrases. Priorities, to-do list, start early, delay, start small.
Yes, and you can already use these in real conversations.
You're doing amazing. Keep going.
Now, we're going to talk about something very interesting next.
Yes, how to use your time wisely during the day, and also how to take breaks the right way.
All right, let's keep going. You're doing great.
Yes, really. If you're still listening, that means you're serious about improving your English and your life.
And that's amazing.
Now, let's talk about something very important. Use your time wisely.
Yes, this is a very useful phrase. Use your time wisely means use your time in a smart and good way.
Let's say it together. Use your time wisely.
Now you repeat.
Great job.
Example, I try to use my time wisely.
Or, she uses her time wisely every day.
Now listen, if I use my time wisely, I feel happy.
Repeat it. Nice. So here's the idea. Not all time is equal.
Yes, some time is very productive and some time is wasted.
Exactly. That's why you need to choose what you do carefully.
Now let's talk about another important phrase. Take a break.
Oh yes, this is very important. Take a break means stop working for a short time to rest.
Let's say it. Take a break.
Your turn.
Good.
Example. I take a break after work.
Or she takes a short break.
Now listen. I need to take a break.
Repeat it.
Perfect.
Many people think working all the time is good.
But that's not true.
Yes, if you don't take breaks, you feel tired.
And when you're tired, you can't focus.
Exactly.
So breaks help you work better.
Let's make a sentence. I take breaks to stay fresh.
That's a great sentence.
Now, a short conversation.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take short breaks.
Simple and natural.
Let's repeat it.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take short breaks.
Great job. Now let's talk about something many people forget. Energy.
Yes, energy is how strong or active you feel.
Let's say it. Energy.
Your turn.
Good.
Example, I have a lot of energy in the morning.
Or, I have low energy at night.
Now listen, my energy is important for my work.
Repeat it. Nice. So here's an important idea. Time is important, but energy is also important.
Yes, because if you have time but no energy, you still can't work well.
Exactly.
So you should do important work when your energy is high.
For many people, that is in the morning.
Let's make a sentence. I do important tasks in the morning.
Very useful.
Now a short conversation.
When do you have high energy?
I have high energy in the morning.
Great.
Let's listen again.
When do you have high energy?
I have high energy in the morning.
Excellent. Now, let's move to another helpful phrase. Stay organized.
Yes, stay organized means keep things in order.
Let's say it. Stay organized.
Your turn.
Good job.
Example, I stay organized at work.
Or, she stays organized every day.
Now listen, if I stay organized, I save time.
Repeat it. Perfect. When you are not organized, you lose things.
Yes, like your notes, your files, your time.
Exactly.
So being organized helps you feel calm.
And you work faster.
Let's do a small conversation.
Are you organized?
Yes, I try to stay organized.
Nice.
Let's repeat it.
Are you organized?
Yes, I try to stay organized.
Great work. So today we learned more useful phrases. Use your time wisely. Take a break. Energy. Stay organized.
Yes, and you are building real English step by step.
Keep going. You're doing really well.
Now we're going to move to the final part.
Yes, where we will review everything and help you remember all the key phrases.
And we'll also ask you a fun question at the end.
So stay with us. You don't want to miss it.
Now let's do a quick and simple review of what we learned today.
Good idea. Let's go step by step.
First, plan your day.
That means decide your task before you start.
Example, I plan my day every night.
Next, waste time.
That means using time in a bad way.
Example, I don't want to waste time.
Next, focus.
Give your full attention to one thing.
I need to focus on my work.
Next, distractions.
Things that take your attention away.
My phone is a distraction.
Next, priorities.
Your most important tasks.
My priority is my work.
Next, to-do list.
A list of tasks.
I write a to-do list every day.
Next, start early.
Begin your work early.
If I start early, I feel relaxed.
Next, delay.
Do something later.
I don't want to delay my work.
Next, start small.
Begin with a small step.
I start small and continue.
Next, use your time wisely.
Use your time in a smart way.
I try to use my time wisely.
Next, take a break.
Take a short break.
I take short breaks.
Next, energy.
Your strength to do things.
I have more energy in the morning.
And finally, stay organized.
Keep things in order.
I stay organized to save time.
Wow, that's a lot of useful English.
Yes, and all of it is simple and practical.
Now let's do one final short conversation using many of these ideas.
Great idea. Listen carefully.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I write a to-do list.
Do you waste time?
Sometimes, but I try to focus.
Do you start early?
Yes, I start early and don't delay my work.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take breaks to keep my energy.
And are you organized?
Yes, I stay organized and use my time wisely.
That sounds like a perfect day.
Yes, we try our best.
Now let's listen one more time.
Do you plan your day? Yes, I write a to-do list. Do you waste time? Sometimes, but I try to focus. Do you start early? Yes, I start early and don't delay my work. Do you take breaks? Yes, I take breaks to keep my energy. And are you organized? Yes, I stay organized and use my time wisely.
Great listening.
Now it's your turn to speak in real life.
Yes, try to use at least 2 or 3 of these phrases today.
Even small practice is powerful.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments.
What is one thing that wastes your time every day?
And also, what is one small change you will make today?
Keep your answers simple.
We love reading your comments.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Du's English.
Keep learning, keep practicing.
And don't waste your time. Use it wisely.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.